Gang, 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 gang. You already know what time it is. Don't know, the Dan is back in the lobby, no man. I see what I do today. Today, that mafia, I'm actually with a highly requested song. You know what I'm saying? Long anticipated. This artist we've been rocking with ever since in touch on this year. Ever since he can get authorized and get left on the scene, we've been rocking with him, man. Very talented youth. Man make some good tune, some clean tune. You see me I say vibes, all of that. You see me I say, yeah man, you don't know what we are talking about today. If you don't know by now, you should have known. But we are talking about none of that Nigy boy. You see me I say, yeah man, there with the G to them man DJ Frass link up on the track named Nomad. Y'all been hitting me up, blowing me up to react to this song, bro, and I haven't gotten around to it. I've been just letting it go on. I'm see a lot of people react to it. The song's been going on, I'm just like, you know what? When we do it, when we get around to it, I get around to it. I don't know my people support. You see me I say? Yeah man. So like Nigy boy, DJ Frass, Nomad, we'll check it out and so I'll go on. They don't know the song, been burning up the place. People been loving it. I haven't sit down and listened to the song directly because I know I gotta do reaction to it. So, but yeah, I've been hearing people playing it all over and all, so but I haven't sit down and really sit down and made the video and you see me I say? So I check it out, gang. But yeah man. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. You see me I say, because I'm soon like the video them, you know. Now watch the video them. You see me not say no bad mind, not say yo mean. You see me I say yo no corrupt. All me I say is me a bit, you just forget sometimes feel the like button. If you know you're not bad mind, you're not corrupt, you know what I mean, and them thing they hit the like and subscribe button. You see me show your boy some support. Don't know a code go. Now all the vibe machine guys, Nigy boy, DJ Frass, Nomad, let's get it.
Frass.
Wagwan, if I leave no open, Wagwan. Wait, don't play the thing, you know. Wagwan.
And no rest for the wicked. These girls keeping me busy. Listen, from the first day, when my buck her upstate, girl I say she.
Yeah, when dog say, yo, they say there is no rest from the wicked. These girls be keep. You know, you man tell say I'm a wicked man. Oh, you know, you are going on. Nigeria boy, a wicked man. That is, you are going.
Frass. They say no rest for the wicked.
None.
These girls keeping me busy. Listen.
Here's that. Here, women I say that. Listen.
From the first day, when my buck her upstate, girl I say she love it, Jenna like a cupcake. Yeah. She said don't leave, me I beg you just stay. Give me one more night with you till the sun rays again.
You know man, I want to hear my youth, you know, don't play the blind youth, you know, dog. I want to, you know, don't take youth for simple. You see me I say?
Sorry baby, me know you're frustrated, yeah. But another girl I call me for your pin update. Like
sorry baby, me know you're frustrated. We have to take this one. Another girl I call me for your open up gate, mama. Me know you want the linkage right now, and your time. Go on easy now, man.
Listen, from the first day, yeah. When my buck her upstate, girl I say she love it, Jenna like a cupcake. She said don't leave, me I beg you just stay.
From the first date, girl I say she love you, Jenna like a cupcake, man. I want to hear man talk truth, man. That's like kiss cake, man. Talk truth, man. I want to hear man.
Give me one more night with you till the sun rays again. Sorry baby, me know you're frustrated, but another girl I call me for your pin.
I say wait, don't left, man. Give me one more night, man. I say sorry baby. You see me a thing going on, man. Another woman I can't open up the gate right now, you know. You see me I say, and I got to answer the call.
Slide the beamer in a garage without brakes. Press gas until she explode like a volcano.
Slide the beamer in a garage without brake. I want to hear that. They're full of style and craft, you know, man. You see, man.
In a garage without
listen.
Straight, but another girl I call me for your pin update. Slide the beamer in a garage without brakes. Press gas until she explode like a volcano.
Slide the beamer in a garage without brakes. And press gas till she explode like a volcano. I don't care man attack but don't make it go over your head. I don't care man attack.
And the gold can't stay one place for too long. Like a nomad can settle down with one. Shante said she had a rough day.
It's like a nomad. If I don't know what a nomad is, you know, a place where people move from place to place. Like the hunter and gatherers them like that. Yeah, Nomad, hunter and gatherers pretty much the same thing. You move from place to place, resources and stuff like that. You see me and say, come in.
Why me feeling card on a buff day. Deal with the buff rough like a man we broke grave. Proper discipline so she never complain again.
She's in her money right now.
Card on a buff day. Deal with the buff.
Hola. Lord.
Shante said she had a rough day. Want me feeling car down a buff day. Deal with the buff rough like a man we broke grave. Proper discipline so she never complain.
The man say Shante said she have a rough day. You see me say I'm calling the car down a buff day. So me he rough up the buff like somebody dig. Man say proper discipline, she never complain. They good again, man. No complaints, man. Woman good.
Again, Melissa want me jump on a flight to Las Vegas cause she want some cane. Boyfriend locking, she want upgrade. Been a while.
I'm jump on a plane to Las Vegas cause she want some cane.
Since she taxi off runway.
Buy ticket, man.
Ask when me a come back on the south side cause she need more time with me. But she have to bear in mind that I'm continental always. And
Stop play with the youth, man. Tono. I want to link up and run around part. If you say you're continental, you know. I want to man.
go can't stay one place for too long. Like a nomad can't settle down with one. I know say me busy but enough girl run off of me. And I got
Man say I'm too busy body dog. Me not say me busy body. I'm not try to more, but I know girl run after a G. I'm too no man. Yeah man.
accommodate, which mean me can't stay one place. From the first day, when my buck her upstate, girl I say she love it, then I like a cupcake. She said don't leave, me I beg you just stay. Give
me one more night, give me. Yes again.
me one more night with you till the sun rays again. Sorry baby, me know you're frustrated, but another girl I call me for your pin update. Slide the beamer in a garage without break.
Tell her again I no care, man. I talk about. You see me? Oh.
Express gas until she explode like a volcano. And the go can't stay one place for too long. Like a nomad can't settle down with one.
Easy Nigy boy. Wicked boy that, yeah? Let me tell her. You don't play the youth. Take it out simple. Hey. Easy. You're a star, man. I want to my youth. Am I blind where you got vision youth? That me I tell you. You say blind enough to lead blind, but you see in a dance hall, I did blind I lead right now. You see me? Sound better follow and catch up. That me I tell you. Yeah man, Nigy boy do him thing man. You see me I say rate the dog man. I keep up on Nigy boy man. Anytime my dog drop man, I with that man. You see me react to straight. You see me I say, I do him thing, man, music them bad. Lyrical smooth. You see me, because I drop lyrics tonight, man. You see me, it's just different type of lyrics, man. I have to go the whole brawling down in his throat, spit in your face, all of them things there. You see me? One time, getting point across using different lyrics. You see me, I say, you must say, yo, you know, linky, you see me? Like, you must say, yo, you know, say, yo, mama, one girl, I'm linking me, come go to a hole and then sit me, you know, go to a hole and river out and them things. Instead of that, say, yo, sorry, baby, I know you're frustrated. And then that girl, I call me for open up gate. You see me, I say? Try to be my aim. Yeah, I see him thing. Yeah, I tell you, same thing. One next girl, I link me for call, you know? Yeah, link up, you gonna get something. Yeah, but everybody want to be the brawling youth. You see me, the brawling and you have to be different, man. You see me, switch it up. You see me, back in the day when them things you never used to get talk about so brawling. When I do talk about the brawling, you was being different. But now that everybody do the whole brawling, you know, thing, it be different. Come with some clean lyrics like Nigy boy. You see me, I say, you know, but yeah, man, big up Nigy boy. Mad artist. Big up DJ Frass the one day. Wicked, yeah, y'all work great together. I hope me hear more tune from party bus Riddim I go on to. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Remember one thing about the one again? You don't know if you like it, definitely go show the artist on the advance. So make sure you jam this content. Say no, no. Make sure you drop my comments and let me know on your favorite part, you know, lyrics, speed, melody, video. Drop it. We talk about it. We discuss it. Do you think Nigy boy is new face of the answer? Yes or no? Drop in the comments as well. You see me? Yeah, man. Do you see your Nigy boy becoming like, you know, one of the best? And I get them. Let me know in the comment section. I think he has a bright future in the business. You see? But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't know what time it is. It's a boy Jam Biscuit. I was here another banger. Till next time, guys. Take yourself and each other. You guys. Don't know.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector boy.